Okay, today we're featuring a 2014 Hyundai Sonata. It's Venetian red in color. It's got 77,000 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. Okay, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim. Turn signals in the side mirrors. Right, driver's side of the Hyundai is in great shape. Right, it does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape here. Alright, exterior of this Hyundai is in great shape. It's a 14, 77,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have gray cloth seating. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. It is a power driver's seat. Alright, it does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, got your heated seats right here. The center armrest storage. Okay, passenger seats in good shape. No problems there. It is an automatic. It's got two power outlets, a USB and an auxiliary port in there. Climate control area here. AM/FM CD player, and the backup camera will be right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Cruise control. And then on this side you got your steering wheel audio and Bluetooth. Then right over here you got your active eco button, your trunk release. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 77,757 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay, go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there as well. And then once again, got your climate control area here. And then right down there, you got your power outlet, USB, and auxiliary. Okay, it is an automatic. And then you got your heated seats there. All right, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look at the back. All right, door panels back here in good shape. Back seat carpet down there, nice and clean, no stains. Back seat cloth looks good. Alright. The center armrest comes down, got the cup holders there. And the only thing I really see back here on these seats is just right through here. Just a small kind of stain right there in the cloth. You can barely see it, but the camera kind of picks it up a little bit, but that's the only thing I see there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Overall, the interior in this Hyundai is in great shape. Let's take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here is nice and clean. I'll step to the side. You can really see the depth. Ton of room back here. Got your spare tire and jack underneath. Let's see, we've got 16-inch alloys. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Once again, it's a 2014 Hyundai Sonata, 77,000 miles. Alright, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.